this is going to be like I'm working it out while talking to you. So I don't know for sure what's going to happen next. I suspect we're in the middle of a crash. So let's start with that, right? There's a difference between a bear market and just, boom, a crash, right? Where they just take the market up by the hind legs and, that's it, right? Crash is different than bear market, okay? So right now, we're in a crash. We're either at the midpoint of a crash or there's going to be another rally and then the real crash starts. So let me say that again. Either we're in the middle of a crash or there's going to be a rally and then the real crash is going to start. So let's jump into the charts so you can figure out what to do next. Now, for people who are new, let's go over the anatomy of a crash. All right. First, you be aware of the failed rally. That was like ETH 3,200 or 3,500. Then it was don't feed the bear. Okay. There are huge reversals that can occur in these type of markets where they're all the way down and they come all the way back. Okay. A lot of people want to FOMO in because it looks like a reversal candlestick. And when you buy those rallies, you feed the bear because when it turns and goes lower, okay, you have another problem, which is part 3, right? It's the fear of being short. The market goes down and everyone's like, ooh, I'm not going to get caught in that other stuff that fed the bear. So I can't get short and I'm not selling here because it'll probably go back up. And then it starts to stabilize. And then the deadliest part is we're all going to make it, right? Everyone starts to say, all right, it's going to be okay. Okay. And then that's the first part of the crash, right? Then after the first part of the crash, everybody wants to say, okay, it's over. And they want to just walk away and pretend that it's not happening. It's called don't turn your back on the bear, right? That was last week, right? Last week was like, oh yeah, everything's fine. Let's just ignore it. Okay. And then the market took everything that was outperforming like ETH, and then it was boom. Okay. Now, the next stage is the last rally. There really was no rally over the weekend. I mean, there kind of was there was a point where Near and Solana were up on the day at one point, but there was no, I don't know, there's no green action. So was that little green the last rally, or is there going to be another big one? The answer is, I don't know. But what I do know is that once you get 7 or 8, in other words, if you get 8 down days, or you get 7 of 8 down days, or 7 to 8 down weeks, you can get a 1929 mega crash. Now, equities have circuit breakers. Crypto does not. So in sum, either there's one more rally left and then crash, or it's just going to sit here, wait, and then do a smaller crash. So what I'm trying to tell you is if it rallies from here, so right now it's 3 p.m. on May 9th. So if there's any kind of rally between now and say the next 24 hours, that would actually be the most bearish outcome. That's your final chance to get out, because then the sort of 8-day countdown could start from there. All right. So it's like, beware of the last rally, especially if the last rally is big. If the last rally has already occurred, maybe we got 2 more days of this and then we're done.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.